Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change locations on Tinder. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. You'll be suggested with many persons to chat with or date with. You can also like or dislike the person which is shown on your home feed. Now go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that gear icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now you'll be appear with the settings of Tinder. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see your location, and here you can see my current location. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you get the options of adding a new location. Tap on it. So this is the Tinder functions which allows you to change the location, but it costs the plans or the money to change the location. You will have to subscribe a premium of Tinder in order to change your location on Tinder, and it is monthly based subscription. Now in order to change the location in Tinder for free, what we can do is use the VPN app, or you can just go ahead and download VPN and use it, and I think that is the only working method. Otherwise you cannot change location unless you have the subscription for Tinder. Once you got the subscription for Tinder, you can just simply change the location. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.